In this video, I'm going to show you how to have the best render settings in Premiere Pro. So the first thing you gotta do is click on your video. Once you click on your video, hover to the upper left corner and you'll see File. And once you click on File, you'll see Export. And under Export, you'll see Media. Click on Media, and the first thing you gotta do and make sure is your format is set to H.264. And under that, you'll see the Video tab. In here, you can set your frame size, and for me, it's set to 1080p. Usually, people set it to 1080p, but some people make it go higher up to 4K, but that will take a while to render. So for me, I always set it to 1080p. And for the frame rate, at least make it 60 frames per second. And for the field order, just keep it as is. And for the aspect ratio, just keep it as is as well. And for the audio, you set the audio format to AAC. And for the audio codec as well, same to AAC. For the sample rate, make sure it's 48k Hz. And for the channels, it's set to stereo. And for the bit rate, make sure that it is at least 320 kbps. So for the multiplier, keep these as the same thing. It will never change. So the only important thing is the audio and the video. And that's about it. Thank you for watching.